Hey, Abby. What's up?
Eric, finally, you answered. I was starting to think you were avoiding me.
Right, because ignoring you would totally work.
Exactly. Anyway, I'm calling because my birthday party is this Saturday. Big celebration, lots of food, music, and of course, me. So you have to come.
Sounds fun, but I'm not much of a party guy.
Oh, come on. You can't say no to the birthday girl. Everyone's coming. It won't be the same without you.
Everyone? Like who?
Let's see. Mark, Olivia, Jason, Kate, Sam. Pretty much the whole group.
Oh, Kate's going?
Yeah, of course. She's one of my best friends.
Hmm. Maybe I'll stop by for a bit.
Wait, what? Did Eric, the guy who hates parties, just say yes? Hold on, I need to write this down.
Calm down. I said maybe.
Sure. Well, I'll be expecting you. And wear something nice, okay? No boring gray hoodie this time.
Yeah. See you Saturday.
Can't wait.
Why did I say yes? Do I really care if Kate's going? Whatever. If she can have fun with Jake, then I can have fun too.
Oh, look. Abby's birthday party invite. You're going, right?
I don't know. I mean, I like Abby, but I'm not really in the mood for a party.
Oh, really? Even though Eric's going?
Huh? Eric? Since when does he like parties?
Well, maybe because someone is going.
What do you mean?
Oh, Abby's been extra flirty with him lately.
Abby? Flirty? With Eric? That's ridiculous.
Is it? She invited him personally. Apparently, she was really insistent.
Well, that's just how Abby is. She flirts with everyone.
Uh-huh. So, why do you suddenly look so grumpy?
I do not.
Sure. By the way, what are you wearing to the party?
I just said I wasn't going.
Oh, well. I guess that means Abby gets to have all of Eric's attention then.
Ugh, who cares if Eric goes? He can do whatever he wants. It's not like it bothers me. Not at all, right?
Eric, you made it. I was starting to think you were gonna ditch me.
Of course not. I wouldn't miss your birthday.
You better not. Here, let me get you a drink. What do you like? Beer? Cocktail?
Just a soda is fine.
Seriously? It's a party, live a little.
Someone's gotta stay sober to keep an eye on you.
All right. One soda coming up.
So, Who else is here tonight?
Oh, the usual gang. Ryan, Olivia, Sophie. Oh, and Kate's here too.
Keith's here too?
Yeah. And she looks absolutely stunning tonight.
Whoa, Kate actually dressed up? Since when does she wear dresses? Wait, why is she smiling like that at some guy?
You sure you're not interested? You've been staring for a while.
Please. She probably just wants to impress her boyfriend or something.
Hey, guess who just walked in? With Abby glued to his side?
I don't know. Santa Claus?
Oh, come on. It's Eric. And Abby is all over him.
Good for them. Hope they have fun.
Really? Because your face is screaming, why the hell is he here?
Sophie, you seriously overthink things. Why would I care? It's none of my business.
Oh, this is gonna be fun to watch.
Wait, why is she laughing like that? And why the hell is she touching him? Since when did she get so buddy-buddy with this guy?
You know, Abby, you look great tonight. Honestly, I think you might be the best dressed person at this party.
Yeah, that should get her attention. Let's see how she likes it when the tables are turned.
Oh, stop it. You're just saying that.
No, I mean it. I don't know why you're still single. Any guy would be lucky to have you.
There. Now, let's see how you like it, Kate.
Wow, Eric's really laying it on thick, huh?
Whatever. He can flirt with whoever he wants. Not my problem.
Wait, is she actually mad? Ah, serves her right. But why do I feel like I didn't win anything? Alright, let's see how she's taking it. If she's annoyed, then that means...
You know, drinking alone at a party is kind of tragic. Thought I'd save you from the pity party.
Oh, so now you're my knight in shining armor?
I mean, if the shoe fits. Or maybe I just enjoy your company.
Oh, come on. Really? She's laughing at his jokes? Since when did they get so close?
Looks like someone's having fun.
She's just pretending.
Uh-huh. And what exactly are you doing?
Fine. If she wants to play this game, let's see who wins.
So, Ryan, you're really into girls who try too hard, huh?
Well, at least I put in some effort. Unlike some people who just throw on whatever and expect the world to care.
Oh man, this is better than reality TV.
Hey, at least Kate's trying new things. It's refreshing, honestly.
Oh, right. Because suddenly wearing a dress makes her some kind of fashion icon, huh?
I'd rather experiment with my style than be someone who wears the same 3 shirts every week.
Okay, I think we all need to chill a little. No need to start a scene at a party. Kate, don't let him get to you. He's just in a bad mood. Right, Eric?
Oh, yeah, because Ryan here is just so great, right? The perfect guy, always saying the right things, always saving you. Maybe you should just date him instead.
Eric, what the hell is wrong with you?
Careful, Ryan. You know how Kate is with guys in higher positions. First Jake, now you. Maybe she just has a thing for authority figures.
Eric, that was way out of line.
Dude, that's just low. You know that's not true.
Oh, Kate.
Unbelievable. You're an idiot, Eric.
Kate! Kate!
Eric, I think we need to stop this.
What do you mean?
I mean, I think it's best if we go back to just being neighbors. No more this, whatever this is. I don't want to fight with you anymore.
Kate, wait!
Are you serious, Eric? What the hell were you thinking?
I wasn't.
Clearly. Because no sane person would act like that. Do you even realize how badly you hurt Kate?
I know. Okay?
Oh, do you? Because from what I heard, you not only humiliated her in front of everyone, you also dragged Ryan into it, and God, Eric, you even used Abby.
I already apologized to Abby. She said she forgives me.
Well, at least you did one thing right. Look, Eric, I get it. You messed up. Big time. But Kate's not just some random girl. She's Kate. You have to fix this.
And how exactly do I do that? She told me she doesn't want to be friends anymore, Lily. She doesn't want me in her life.
She's hurt, Eric. But that doesn't mean she wants you gone forever. You just have to show her that you.
That I what, Lily? That I deserve another chance? That I suddenly became a decent person overnight? Because I haven't. I was a jerk. I am a jerk. I treated her horribly. I acted like a spoiled, jealous brat. And I said things that I can't take back.
Eric.
Maybe Kate's right. Maybe we really should just go back to being neighbors.
I think you need to figure that out yourself. But Eric, if you don't even try, you'll regret it for the rest of your life.
Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.